This is Tesla Cybertruck's Performance Beast, an 800V48V power converter. It uses a PCB planar transformer inside that replaces traditional wound transformers. But why is this design? And which differences does it bring? This is Sunshine Global Circuits. Today we introduce planar transformers. First, let's understand transformer basics. They transfer energy via magnetic coupling from input to output by changing the turns ratio of windings so voltage can be stepped up and down. Then, switching controls magnetic variations, converting electrical energy to magnetic energy, which is then transformed back into electrical energy via the magnetic core. Third-generation semiconductors are spreading. Transformers now use higher switching frequencies, but challenges do exist. Although traditional transformers can also increase switching frequency, enameled round wires under high frequency see current concentrated on the conductor surface, reducing effective cross-sectional area. High-frequency skin effect combined with proximity effect causes a sharp rise in resistance. A changing magnetic field also induces circulating currents inside the magnetic core, leading to resistive heating. Heat is trapped in copper windings. Dissipation is difficult. Planar transformers are different. Windings are printed, not wound. Flat geometry suits high-frequency skin effect. Resistance is reduced. Flat structures give high surface-to-volume ratio. Thermal paths are short. Operation at high power density is possible. PCB LDI and etching ensure precision. Winding patterns are accurate. Electrical parameters are consistent. Matrix structures are easy to build. Magnetic field distribution is calculated accurately. This provides a reliable foundation for power optimization. This is the direction for modern power supplies. And that's the basics of PCB planar transformers. Any questions? Feel free to comment below or send us a message.